Okay, so let's try this again. Any sequence of ascending numbers, three consecutive ascending numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3. If you take the descending that sequence of that same number, 3, 2, 1, and subtract it from itself, you get 198. Every time, no matter which sequence of three consecutive whole numbers, you're going to get the same thing, 198. When you flip 198, you have 891. You add it, you'll get 1089. Same thing if you have, say, 4, 5, 6, and subtract that from the descending number, 198 every time. The reason the descending number has to come first is because in this one, that's what happened first. You had a descension or the degeneration of Adam, and then you had the ascending. And you have to see that making a complete cycle of 7 ages and 7 dispensations. So then, say we have 21, 23, 24. We're out of the small numbers. Well, you take this one, 2 and 1 equals 3. 2 and 3 equals, I'm retarded. That ain't even 21, 22, 23. I just skipped 22. 22 and 1 is 3. 2 and 2 is 4. 2 and 3 is 5. And so the same thing. 5, 4, 3, you get 198. Y'all was just showing me a minute ago. I think it was 152, 153, 154, I think, was it? 152, 153, and 154. How do you reconcile that? When you add these numbers, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2, 8. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Oh no, what are we going to do with that? How do we reconcile that? 0 has no value. When you flip this number, you have 198. Period. You will always get 198 every single time. And you add these two, and you still get 1089. Now, to get the 1096, first I said 7 is completion, but 7 is not completion. 7 is perfection. So, of course, you would add the 7 to get the 1096. But if you look at 198 or 1089, however you want to look at it, when you add those numbers together, let's see, 0 has no value. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 9 equals 18, and 8 plus 1 equals 9. You will get 9 every time. Every time. Same thing with 198. 1 plus 9, 10, plus 8 is 18. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 is completion. 9, 9, 9. That's why the numbers go all the way to 9 and start over. 9 and start over. 9 major attributes, 9 planets in the solar system, 999. His numerology does not change. The numbers do not change at all. So no matter what consecutive set of numbers you have, no matter how high the numbers go, you will always get 198 if you use the same pattern. Descending set of those 3 numbers at the top, and subtract the ascending numbers from that number, you'll get 198 every single time.